What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the PROMiXX Stealth Shaker Cup. Let's get started. So starting off with the unboxing, let's open it right up, and then we're just going to take out the shaker cup itself. Okay, so right away, here's your shaker cup. Now, I don't know how well you can see the branding of the MiiXR cup because of the light, but we have the cup, and then you get sort of a starter guide, like a manual, to walk you through everything you need to know about your shaker cup, because this is not your ordinary shaker cup. And then finally, you have your charger. It's a USB charger. They don't include the wall adapter, the power adapter, but you do get the cord. So now that we're done with the unboxing, let's talk about some of the features about this shaker cup. So first, this shaker cup retails for $40 on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link below if you are interested in purchasing an electronic shaker cup. But what makes this really, really cool, unlike any other protein shaker out on the market, is it comes with a NutriPod. And what that is pretty much a separate container that you can use to put in the protein powder or pre-workout, whatever you are taking, or separate liquid right here. And it's separate from the cup. So as you can see inside, I don't know how well again, because it's a very dark cup, but inside you can still put your liquid, but you still have this NutriPod separator that you can put in and just take with you. So that is the first really impressive feature that I love about this, especially if you're on your way to the gym. This is excellent to utilize, that you don't have to take your protein right before you leave. You can just put the powder in there, and that can take about 1.5 scoops of your protein powder, and you can take it with you on the go and take your drink when you arrive at the gym. So another cool feature about this protein shaker is the bottom power unit down here. So if we twist it off, this back part right here, you have a USB port that you can use to charge your device. So chances are that's going to be your phone. And let me give you that quick example right now. And it doesn't have to be disconnected. So we're going to connect it back again, and then simply take the USB. Let me make sure my phone here is within. And then we're going to plug it in. So I don't know if you see that right here. It is charging using the protein shaker. This is an amazing, amazing feature. And when I did use it at the gym, I was, stuck at the gym, working out, etc. And it was able to charge my phone about 30%. I'm using the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that was very impressive for me that it did help out with my phone's battery, because I don't want to be stuck at the gym with a dead phone. Then I can't listen to my music. Next, let's talk about battery life. So the battery life for this MiiXR, you would need to pretty much charge it it took me 3 hours to charge this protein shaker. But because I use the feature of charging my phone, which utilizes the battery inside of this shaker ends up lasting me about, on a full battery, it ends up lasting me about a week. So that's with what I consider to be average use. Plus, again, I did use it to charge my device. So definitely keep that in mind. So now to the main event, I really want to show you how well this protein shaker mixes your protein or whatever you're trying to mix with your drink. So I'm going to demonstrate that here for you. So right here, I have the NutriPod with approximately 1 scoop of protein. And like I said, even if I open it, you can see there's enough room for another like half a scoop. So it takes like a scoop and a half of whatever supplement you're trying to take. And then I have right here approximately 6 ounces of water. I don't know how well you can see it, but I have approximately about 6 ounces of water. Now, what you're gonna do is, for you not to get clumps in your drink when you mix it, you have to begin so it's mixing, and then once it begins mixing, you pour in the protein. Now I'm gonna let it mix for about 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, so now it has been about 20 seconds, so I'm just gonna turn it off. And let's pour it into the cup and let's see how well it mixed. Okay, so I don't know how well you can see it over here, but there really isn't, let me move my camera a little bit. So there is no clumps at all. There's nothing that is still left from the protein supplement, and it looks very good. Now, this is my review. I've been using this protein shaker cup for the last, I would say, 3 to 4 months, and I have yet to have any negative experience with it so far. So the only negative thing that I can really say about this is how dark the cup is, and sometimes it's difficult to see the liquid inside. Even with the measurements that they laid out here, it's still very difficult to see it. So that would be the one pointer I would recommend to PROMiXX to further improve upon in their future products. But other than that, it's a very, very good protein shaker cup. Now, I do want to demonstrate one more thing for you so you can better understand how amazing this shaker cup is. So let me show you that now. So the next and final thing I want to demonstrate is the opening of the flap up top. So as you can see here, I have a different shaker cup that is not electronic, but it's so annoying, and I find it so annoying a lot of times to open up that top flap, and it's like you have to and then you finally open it, it makes a huge sound, whatever. So unlike with this one, in the PROMiXX, it's very silent. So little effort is applied to open and close it. You don't have to put a lot of pressure, I'm sorry. So close, open, close, open. I love that. I love that because it makes my experience less annoying than what it would be with a traditional shaker cup. So this has been my unboxing and review of the PROMiXX Stealth Mixer. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a great day. Take care.